Good morning. I thought Jo did a lovely story for us this week, and I thought that the craft she used was lovely as well. So I thought we could make some toilet roll puppets that we could use ourselves to act out the story or to play with and make up other things if we want. So we're going to get 5 toilet rolls. One's going to be a king, one is Jesus, and 3 men in the story. Okay, using your plain paper and your pens, you can draw 5 faces that are the right size to go on the toilet rolls. Okay, and I've given one of them a crown to be the king. Okay, then we're going to make some clothes for the toilet rolls. For Jesus, I've got a plain white to show that he's Jesus. Okay, I'm going to get my toilet roll and wrap it in the piece of paper that I've cut out. That's the right size. Okay, and then I'm going to get a face for Jesus and I'm going to stick it on the toilet roll. Okay, then my daughter's decorated one robe and Daniel's decorated some others. So we're going to put clothes onto the other 4 toilet rolls. After I've done this, then I'm going to use some of the shiny silver gold foil from our Easter eggs to put a robe on the king. And I think this can be the king's clothes underneath the robe. So here's some leftover Easter egg foil. Let's fold over his robe and let's tape it on. Okay, let's put his face on. So there we have a king. Maybe not quite as good as Joe's. I'm sure you can do a better job. Let's pop the other people's faces on. 1, 2, and 3. So then we've got the characters for our story. We've got the 3 men, Shadrach, Meshach and Abednego. We've got Jesus and we've got the king, Nebuchadnezzar. Okay, next we're going to make our scene. So I want you to cut out just a random piece of card. I've used an Easter egg box and I've used the flaps at the ends so that I'd be able to make it stand up like that. Then Daniel is going to help me to make some flames. Well, I cut them out first, so get your coloured paper or cellophane, cut out lots and lots of flame shapes, enough so that you can cover this. Then cut a strip of your card, just a random piece of card, and cover it with glue. Rub the glue, Daniel. Take some of the flame pieces that you've cut and we're going to stick the fire on, Daniel. Okay, with the points pointing upwards. Yeah.
That's not a fire.
Is that not fire?
No.
Just stick them on like that.
Fire.
That's right. Fire. Good boy.
fire.
Some yellow fire on. Okay.
That's fire.
Yep.
I can look fire. I look, and it sticks that blows
That's right.
all the way blowing.
Yep.
That's piece of fire sticking.
Mm-hmm.
Fire.
Yep.
Fire.
Okay, and some more bits here.
Stick there.
Yep. If we need a bit more glue, we can put a bit more glue on, can't we?
Well, this fire came off.
Oh, I don't think we've stuck that one on yet.
Need some more glue.
Okay,
No.
some more glue on. Fine. Okay. Then let's put some more at the bottom here. Okay. Not some more glue, let's stick some more bits of fire. There we go, some nice red bits.
This. It's some glue on.
Uh-huh.
That's fire.
Fire. Okay, super. I think we need a bit more glue there, and then we've nearly got enough fire, haven't we? Okay, let's stick that on.
No, there's more fire to stick.
Okay, I'll put some glue there.
Where
Then the final thing to do is to get a piece of paper, and again I have folded it so that it will stand up, and to write our Bible verse on. Our Bible verse is, "The Lord your God is with you. He, the mighty one, will save you." And that's from a book in the Old Testament called Zephaniah chapter 3 verse 17. It's not actually from the story that we read today, but it shows us what happens. Jesus comes into the fire and saves those the three men. And then when you've made it all, you can get your shoebox or other box, and you can make a scene. So there's the king throwing the three men into the furnace. And Jesus goes into the furnace with them, and he is the one who saves them. Right, I hope you enjoy, and I thought maybe we'd make some other things with a box and some toilet paper people, because that's quite a good way of doing craft at home. Okay, and I'll put the singing video up soon as well.